Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new here, welcome. And today I wanted to do a very glam, very fairy tale, fairy goddess, just Queen of the Nile, Empress, just something sickening and glam obviously, and just obviously push my limits with doing no brows and just making my eyes super big and smoked out. And by doing that, I am testing out obviously the main attraction of this whole video. I'm testing out the Morphe and James Charles collab, which honestly you guys will get my opinions on how this palette is later on throughout the video and at the end obviously. So yeah, so this is the look I created. I hope you guys do like it, and if you guys do, give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys want to know how to create this look right here, definitely please keep on watching, you guys. Okay, you guys, so let's start off with the tutorial, and the first thing I'm doing is taking Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Leo and really placing this and defining my cut crease. And I'm only doing this because it's just a great base and a starting out point for my eyeshadows. Next, we're gonna take the color Escape in the palette, which is a beautiful purple shade, and we're gonna place that with a flat shader brush, and we're just going to define our cut crease and outer corner with this. Then placing some security down, we're going to take some loose powder and put it on the bottom of our eye so it can catch all of the fallout. Then we're going to take a tapered blending brush, and we're going to blend out the color Escape. But for some reason, the lip liner and the shadow wasn't blending out very easily. So in hindsight, I wouldn't have put the lip liner down. But I did take some time to really blend this out really good and effortless. But yeah, so I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't recommend doing that if I were you. There's just something I learned from this. But yeah, I'm just blending out everything, just taking my time with it and really just blending that color, packing it on, blending the color, packing it on, and blending out the color. Then we're gonna take the color Skip in the palette, which is a bright pink, and a pencil brush, and we're just going to pack on that color where it needs to go, and really just blending those two colors in. We're gonna blend in Skip and Escape and just blend that in flawlessly and effortless, and just take your time with this. Next, we're gonna take a flat shader brush and the color Escape and define our lower lash line, so blend that up and out. Then taking the same pencil brush and the color Skip again, which is that bright pink, and place that underneath our lower lash line as well, and just blend those two colors in. And obviously, just another tip for you guys, take a brush that has no pigment, a fluffy blending brush, and just blend all those colors together effortless. It just helps you with your blending. Take your time, go back and forth between brushes, and you guys will have a nice flawless blend. Then taking the colors Pinkity Dinkity and Literally, we're going to place that right above Skip, which is the bright pink, and we're just gonna blend that up and out and really smoke and blow out these colors. We want to literally aim for our hairline for this look because we're gonna have no brows. Take your time and blend everything out. Then we're gonna take NYX Cosmetics SFX cream color paint in white and a flat angled brush, and we're just gonna define and cut our crease with this. The white color I'm using because I really want these shadows to really stand out and be highly opaque. So it's a great base for this. As you can see, this look is coming together, darling. Then we're gonna take that pencil brush in the shade Skip again, and we're gonna place that right on the corner of our eyelid, and really just packing that color on and blending into the color Escape. And constantly going back and forth between brushes and really blending out everything so it won't be any harsh lines anywhere on this look. Then taking the color Literally in a flat packer brush, we're gonna place that right on our inner corner lid, and that's gonna be right in front of Skip. Then taking the color So Good and another flat packer brush, and we're just gonna place that right on our inner tear duct area and blending that in flawlessly. Next, we're gonna go into Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick in the color Flamethrower, which is a bright, vibrant orange, just for a base for our shadow that we're gonna place on top of that. And the shadow that we place on top of that is going to be the color 518. And we're just gonna blow that all the way out, making sure that comes all the way down on the sides of the nose as well. Then going back and reassuring everything, making sure everything's in the right place, taking a flat shader brush, defining the crease again, and just making sure everything is nice and placed everywhere that you want it. Then taking NYX white eyeliner, and we're going to place that right in our waterline and also elongating that towards the tip of our nose. Then going back in with Escape and a flat shader brush and really just defining that purple shade again, just in case we lost the opaqueness that we wanted, and just reassuring these colors and blending out everything again and going back and forth between brushes like always and gradually building up the color to the likeness that you want. Okay, so sorry about this step, you guys. I literally had this glitter sitting in my drawer somewhere. It's like an iridescent glitter, and I believe this is from like a beauty supply store I got a while ago. But it was very, very pretty. It wasn't too much. It was just enough just for the look. And I just wanted something that was a pop, and this was the perfect iridescent shade to do that. And I placed that right above, literally and pinkity dinkity. And I just kind of like made it seem like it was glitter shooting out from my eyes or something, because I'm such a goddess like that. Then taking Wet n Wild's black eyeliner, and we're just going to line our eyes, giving us a nasty, fierce, sickening eyeliner. Baby, when I tell you I want this eyeliner to cut the queens and these hoes, and they want nothing to do with you after that, baby, I want you to come in there and murder the folks, okay? I want them to be afraid of, I want them to be jealous and afraid of you. I want them to learn. I want them to look and learn, darling. Then we're gonna take Urban Decay's Midnight Cowboy glitter liner, and it's a nice gold liner we're gonna place and put that right where our cut crease is. And then obviously this eye look is finishing up. We're just gonna coat the top and bottom of our lashes with MAC Cosmetics Extended Play Mascara, and we're gonna put some lashes on, and yeah, let's go on to the face. And next we're gonna take the color, speaking about faces, we're gonna take the color Face in the palette and a Morphe M501 brush, and we're just going to highlight the cheekbones, the cupid's bow, and obviously our nose. Put it everywhere. Don't be afraid of this, because this is a glam fairy, bitch. You don't want to not be glowy. And obviously this is the finished makeup look, you guys, and I'll be right back with the finished look. And voila, this is the finished makeup look right here. I hope you guys do love this look. Like I said, it's very fantasy, very fairy tale, very glam, very empress, very just, commanding attention, like I am the goddess of sickening or something. So yeah, back to the palette. Is this a palette that is worth $39? Obviously, yes, you're getting 34, 36 shades, and it's gonna be definitely worth your money if you get this palette, because it's universal for literally everybody. If you want to be creative and do a sickening look like this, you can definitely do it. And if you are someone that's afraid of makeup and don't know how to use color, or don't want to use color, you guys have like 2 or 3 rows of colors that you guys can definitely dive into. It is a really big palette, so I don't know if you guys would like that during traveling, but it's definitely a good palette. The colors blend out smoothly. I was happy with the results that I did. Obviously, I think this look came out really, really sickening. And I didn't even use an eyeshadow primer. So yeah, I really do enjoy this palette. Now, is it something that's better than the 35B palette? You know what? I would probably say yeah. I mean, why not? You get neutral tones, and you get colorful tones, and you get the colors that I mostly use in bigger sizes of pans. So yeah, why not? I would definitely do love this palette, and good job. Congratulations, James. Great palette that you guys collabed with Morphe, and I hope you guys do love this look as well. And if you guys do, like I said, give this video a thumbs up, and obviously don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the button right there, right in the corner. And my social medias will be linked in the description box below. And yeah, so if you guys have any ideas of the next look that you guys want me to do, definitely leave a comment in the comment section below. Or if you guys just do love this makeup look, let me know. So remember, you guys, it is your vision. It is whatever you make it, as long as you make it freaking fabulous. Until the next one, you guys.